BrandROCKPOINT. ColorEspresso. MaterialEngineered wood, plastic. Item weight 15.4 pounds. ShapeSquare. PatternSolid. Easy to assemble toy organizer for blocks, crayons, toy trucks, dolls, and more is great for boys and girls ages 3 years and up. Removable toy storage bins for playtime and easy cleanup. 12 rugged plastic toy bins are interchangeable, 8 standard and 4 large storage containers. BP and phthalate free. Sturdy engineered wood construction is durable, easy to clean. Steel dowels to support toy bins. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for toy organization. I have bought many versions of toy organizers and within no time, they'd fall over and break. I loved the concept, but I was getting so tired of continuously purchasing different types trying to find something that worked. I searched, and searched some more and stumbled upon this version. My first, and only, complaint is that one basket arrived cracked. I purchased 2 organizers for both of my children, and it was only one basket that had a hairline crack at the top. Not enough to hurt its functionality, but I was still slightly disappointed. I contacted customer service and was told in order to get one basket, I'd have to send the entire thing back. Wasn't worth the trouble, so I kept it like it was. This is my only complaint. As for my compliments, it holds so much more than I expected it to. It has space for bigger toys and baskets for smaller toys, i.e., Legos, Hot Wheels cars, etc., and it is super sturdy. We've had it for months, it's well surpassed any other toy organizer that I've ever purchased, and it sits just like it did the day I put it together. Took me all of 30 minutes to put both together by myself. It might be easier with 2 people, but I had no issues putting it together alone, so the simplicity was a huge plus as well. All in all, I couldn't be more pleased with how well these are made, how much they hold, and how easy it is for my children to get their toys out and put them back up once they're done. This is hands down one of the best purchases I've ever made and worth every single penny I spent for them. If you're searching for the perfect organizer, look no further. This is definitely the one you want to purchase.